let's get started. Open the terminal and go to the Elasticsearch bin folder. Start the Elasticsearch server by running the Elasticsearch shell script. Wait a few seconds, then check if Elasticsearch is running by going to localhost :9200. You should see a page with some JSON data if it's working. Next, download Kibana. Go to Kibana's download page and download the latest version for your operating system. Extract the downloaded zip file to your chosen folder. In the terminal, go to the bin folder of your Kibana installation. Run the Kibana shell script. Kibana should now be running on your computer at localhost :5601. You should see a page similar to the one shown here.